Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show that brings you the best press releases out of the small cap world every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe even find your next great small cap investment. Now, it's Friday, December the 28th. As expected, it is a slow news cycle day because we are on a short week because of Christmas and we're going into New Year's. However, I do have two press releases for you, both from the OTC. The TSX venture continued to remain silent, so let's get over to them. First up, Kaire Holdings trades on the OTC under the stock symbol KAIH. They announced an increase in 2007 revenue over 2006. They estimate, so this is obviously a preliminary number, that they're going to finish off the year in excess of a 30% increase over 2006. So that looks like total revenue of $18 to $19 million. Big number out of Kaire. This is mainly due to the world shortage of glass supply, and as you can expect, what the company does is distribute Asian glass products to North America. Now, just one thing, they're trading at about 1.4 cents. You are going to have to do some due diligence and make sure that we don't have a huge outstanding share amount or some kind of other negative event that may have occurred. But on the numbers, pretty good numbers out of Kaire Holdings. Next up, Yantai Dahua Holdings, I'm going to refer to as YDH, and in fact their stock symbol is YDHCF on the OTC. They just announced the completion of a reverse merger with China Agro Technology, a China forestry technology company, and there's some big numbers associated to this reverse merger. The name of the listed company has been changed to China Agro Technology Holdings. A new stock symbol is on the way. Here are the numbers that are associated with it. Total revenue, $37 million. Gross profit, $35 million. Net income, $32.8 million. So this is a great reverse merger. China Agro Technology obviously is a very significant company. They're primarily involved in the ownership, management, and operation of genetically engineered plantations, marketing of their proprietary rights, and technological know-how to the global market. So you've got a pretty good company here trading right now 35 cents. They actually traded yesterday from 22 to 35 cents on about 200,000 shares in volume, which isn't huge when you look at the price of the company, but it is pretty big when you look at the historical trading of Yantai Dahua. One thing to be careful of, the company did issue 288 million shares of common stock in exchange for all the issued and outstanding shares of China Agro Technology. So you may want to take a closer look at the filings and make sure that most of that stock is locked up and doesn't come back into the marketplace. That's a wrap for the day. That's the two press releases. As expected, it was a slow news cycle day, but as always, we're more interested in quality over quantity, and these are two pretty great press releases. As always, if you're looking for more great small cap stories and research, take a look at the AGORACOM marketplace, where we've got over 80 companies now by industry and exchange, so you can find the ones best suited for your portfolio needs. Other than that, that's a wrap for the day. Have a fantastic weekend. We will see you on Monday, December the 31st, but we're expecting that to be a very slow news cycle as well. In the meantime, have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.